What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video, and today what I'm going to be going over is how to, apply your lashes, make them last longer. What you will need for this video, not this video, but what you will need for this process is any type of lash glue. I suggest this lash glue. So I believe I did enough talking. This is the lash glue you're gonna need. You can buy it from your local beauty supply store, only $4. This is also another lash glue you can purchase. It's called INV Super Stronghold. It's probably about $5 at your beauty supply as well. So make sure you want that, you can purchase that. But the other one is way more stronger. I wore them one time, but I didn't like how they was because they're thick. They're curled already, but we're gonna use these for the video because y'all like them thick lashes. Also make sure you disinfect everything you're using because COVID is going around and your girl got COVID. But it's okay though. It's okay. So you're gonna need some hand sanitizer. Sanitation comes first. Okay, so I feel like this would be better so y'all can literally see everything that I'm doing. Okay, so don't mind the broken nail, guys, but you're gonna get your spoolie and just fluff out your lashes how you want it to be. So now with this part, you just wanna get some scissors and cut where you see you can cut it at, and just cut it and fluff it out with your spoolie. For this eye, I'm be using this glue. You're gonna get your end piece and dip it. Be careful. If you think it's too much glue, just dab it out. I'm satisfied with it. So I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna fan it like this until I think it's dry, and then I'm gonna take off my glasses and just show you guys how to apply it. So in this clip, you can see I'm struggling. I didn't have a mirror inside. I was actually just using my phone, and I'm not used to using my phone. So you guys, if I mess up, don't judge me. I'm just showing you guys you can make mistakes and still fix it. So guys, I sped it up a bit. As you can see, I'm trying to get it as close to my lash as possible. Don't put it on your lash because you don't want to rip it off. Just put it on top and just fan it so you can air dry it. Okay, so you guys can see the next part. So since you put the end piece on, you can guide through that and just guide and try to connect them together. Just try to squeeze it together just so they can go together. If they don't look right, that's fine. So in this part, you're gonna guide off the middle part as well, and it's the most easiest but hardest part. Just make sure you just try to squeeze them together, and you're gonna get your spoolie and just try to fluff them out. You see how they all look together? You're gonna get your spoolie and try to fluff them out. Make sure you air dry them first, then get the spoolie and try to fluff it out. Now it's time for these two. So guys, with the glue, make sure you add a thick layer for this one if you want them to last long. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the camera, and it should be white, and you gotta wait for it to get tacky. For the instructions, it says wait about 30 seconds, but we're gonna wait like a minute or two just so it can get tacky, and it should look like a purplish color. So I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like these lashes because they're heavy. Like, if you can see up close, like, I can't even see, like, got my eye for real. I can't see out my eye for real. So with this one, we're doing the same process. I really don't like this side because with this type of lash glue, if it gets stuck on your finger, like, it's gonna get stuck, like, to skin because that's the type of adhesive it is. But as you can see, I'm kind of struggling with it. But we got it. Both sides are gonna look good. We got it. Versus this one. Let's see if okay. So my thing is, I feel like this one is better because, like, look at it. It looks like individuals, but versus this one, it looks like I just put some crap together. Like I'm really trying with this one. Like, I'm trying. And this one not as full as this one because of how I did it, but y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me which one y'all think gonna last longer. Like, they seem like they both holding on pretty good if you look at it. They both seem like they holding on pretty good. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. 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 I'm gonna show Y'all tell me, I feel like this one gonna last long. Y'all, my camera cut off, but it was a very long process because I had to get these together. But I like these, like they thick and all, but I like these because they're gonna stay. And if you ask about this part up here, you can just simply just grab a rag, get some warm water, and just scrub it off. Not too hard, but scrub it off. And yeah. So if y'all enjoyed my video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I'll answer you in the comments. Let me know if you guys enjoy, and bye. Peace.